Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our Scripture Stamp Club reveal for April of 2021. Where is this year going, you guys? It's crazy. We're almost halfway through the year. It's crazy. All right, guys, I'm really excited for this one. This is a card maker's delight, I promise you. And when I show you the sample that I have for you and I tell you what's coming up, so to make it even easier, you're going to love this. Are you ready for this? This set is called God Says. Now, before I show it to you, I want to tell you this. That came from, I was driving to work one day and I was listening on the radio and I just kept hearing all these things being said to me that God says you are this and God says you are that. And I thought that would be a cool thing for us to have in cards because it encourages us to remember that not only am I telling a person they're this way, but God said it. And what a great way to encourage somebody, right? So check out these sentiments. They're so good, guys. Look. So first, let's start right in the middle. You get two strips here that say you are a and God says you are a. Now, you won't always need this A, but I like to give it to you because where you do need it, it's connected, it's easy to stamp, but where you don't need it, you just don't ink it, okay? And you'll see that in the video coming Saturday. Now, let's start at the top. Created for a purpose, a new creation, special, strong, treasured, loved, not alone, important, unique, child of God, and redeemed. Now, how many places can you think you can send cards with these? Just think about the people you want to remind that God says you are important. God says you're not alone. God says you are treasured, right? How about you are special? You are strong. Now, again, I gave you that A because I wanted you to have it in case you wanted to use it anywhere at all, but you don't have to ink it, but I just like to give that to you. So that's the stamp set. Now I got to show you my samples. So here's what I did. For Saturday's video, I did a mystery card sort of situation using Cardabella. I haven't tried that before, so I kind of mixed it up. I did a mystery card and also a one-sheet wonder, but I used 2 sheets of cardstock, and look, I was able to get 13 little mini slimline note cards that worked perfectly for this sentiment set. Do you see this? How great is this? This uses 2 pieces of cardstock from the Flora number 4 pack from Cardabella. Look how gorgeous. So fun, so easy. You're going to love the video. I did that one upside down, guys. Look what I did. We just discovered it together. I will have to flip that sentiment, but that won't be a big deal. But aren't they beautiful? I just love how these turned out. And you'll get to see in the video how I created them and how that went. But again, it's 2 pieces of 12 by 12 from, let me bring the set over to show you. From this set, the Flora set. You're going to love it. So be sure to be watching for Saturday's video when we make these cards together. And I just love them. I can't believe I did that. That's so funny. But I'll just peel this off and turn it around down here and it'll work. But aren't they precious? So many different ways of doing this. And I love how the colors all work together. So this set's going to be a workhorse set. Now, if you know me at all, you know I don't like a one-off stamp set. I like stamp sets that we can mix up and use with 1,000 different things because I want you to get the most bang for your buck. And I feel like this one is going to work in every situation. Even if, I want you to think about this, even if you find a way every time you make a card to stamp this on the inside, on the left-hand side of the card, or at the top of the card, just as a reminder that God says you are any of these things. Isn't that amazing? I love it. Also, I didn't mention we added a scripture to go with every single one because you guys love it when we put a scripture reference in there that causes someone to go and look it up. So like redeemed, it would be cool if they go look that up, right? I think that'll be neat. All right, guys, thanks so much for being a part of our club. Now, like always, if you would like to win a $50 gift card, we give one away every month. All you do is make a project using the stamp set, post it to our customer gallery, and you are entered to win. Now, as always, I record this before the winner has been chosen, but the winner's name will be in the top line of the description below from last month. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great one, and until next time, bye now.